Hello everyone, today we'll talk about very important thing in Aspen Hysys. We'll learn how to build rectifier and stripper section installation column. Many of you guys asked about this. And we'll learn how to use equation oriented. That's a very important tool in Aspen Hysys. It uses to solve a flow sheet in complex cases. To be able to use these tools, we have to define flow derivative from Aspen properties function. Okay, we'll choose SRT. Then we'll have to define our component propane from here, and propane. It's okay now. Then we have to go to our simulation. Now it's okay. Just to use our equation oriented, we have to use EO subflow from here my friend. Then continue. Now go to flow sheet environment, environment. Now go to view and then define your stream feed, then temperature, pressure, and molar flow. It's okay. Go to composition for mole fraction 1.4 0.6. Then okay. Now add distillation column from here. Okay. The stage 94, the stream feed enter from the 47, then Q condenser, Q boiler, then total condenser we have the upstream propane, the downstream propane. Okay, now go to next. The next, the pressure in the bottom at the inlet stream, and okay, then go to next. Next, look at the temperature, then reflex ratio 4 point, liquid rate. Okay, go to done and run your column. And wait for 1 second. Now it's okay, it's convert. Let's make sure about our stream propane. Okay, then now we'll learn how to add two sections to your column. So go to column environment. We have here two sections, my friend, not one section. A stripper and a rectifier. Then here the way quick connection. Then action. It's okay now. Name global liquid rect out, and lever to rect. It's okay. Go to parameter, then the pressure. We have to define the one stripper 999. It's okay now. Then we have to add rectifier. Okay. Here, the tower, we can add stripper. Rectifier. Then the river inlet and the liquid outlet, we have to determine react out here, then river inlet to react liquid inlet, its reflux, and condenser, it's the river outlet. Now we have to define the number of stage parameter. Okay, then the pressure in the last stage. Okay, now it's okay. Active your form. We have just to define the draw distributed rate from the stream propane, and the next one for the reflex ratio from the stage condenser. Then active now. The column is converted, and it's that section is ended for rectifier and stripper. Okay, now let's continue with our equation oriented. Go to parent. Okay, then equation oriented come here. Equation oriented. We have to click this button. Okay, now we have to add the EU measurement. Okay, and let's define it. XD. Okay, variable for 100 propane. E100 of propane and propane, and it's the description for it, my friend, the amount of propane in propane stream. Okay, plant value I have 5. Okay, then it's okay, my friend, it's ready. Let's define another measurement in the same way for the bottom stream, my friend. XP, the stream of propane and mole flow, propane moles, It's okay. Let's make it. It's okay for us. And then we have to add, sorry, v-mol, the amount, the flow rate of propane of bottom stream. Then we have to define the amount of propane in propane stream. It's okay now. You can choose whatever you want from your variables. Okay. Now it's okay, my friend. Now go to equation oriented, then equation oriented, press it, and go to simulation. You can try. You can just now for equation oriented and show your variable and now we have to define our objective. From here, you can add your objective, add variable for measure 0. It's for import for out, set. Now, okay, type make it sum of and direction minimize. Okay, go to main and make it 0 and standard deviation make it 0.1. Add another variable for xt min. It's okay for xt offset. We have to just define xt and xt, then bmol. Now it's okay, make it 0.80, and then go to here, measure 1 and offset. Now okay, make it 0, the main, and okay, we can, my friend, add whatever we want from variable, maybe Q duty for recoiler and condenser, whatever you want. It's now okay. Let's press salt. Now go to simulation, make it data, then objective. You have to define your objective, then salt. Okay. Okay, make it. Okay. Okay. Now So just you can note, my friend, the current value, initial value, and delta value for whatever you want. Okay, just plan. Okay, it's offset 31 and it's offset 0.64. You can just maximize now and you can just run. So it's okay now. Now it's okay. For the range you have defined in your option. Okay, now you can just show your active pounds. Now you can also show your simulation stream. It's okay. Everything you want. You can also solve report. It's very important. Okay. You can, my friend, also define any variable you want to add. As I said before, Q condenser, Q recoiler, feed any variable and feed. It's okay. You can check now your column if you want. Now go to execution oriented. Now go to your page for variable. We have a variable, all variable, and specification calculated or constant or whatever. Okay, it's okay for all things you want, my friend, and it's very important tool in Aspect. Thank you very much. If you need an explanation in a video, just